Proven ways to attract more women. Firstly, confident people sometimes have unconfident body language and vice versa. If you hope to attract a woman, you have to understand that one of the first things that will indicate whether you're a potential suitor is how you carry yourself. Humour. Genuine playfulness is an unfailing way to attract a woman. She appreciates anything and anyone that would calm her nerves and make her laugh. Be patient. Do show too much eagerness, but be restrained. Do not rush to buy an expensive gift for her. Take some time to develop a sound relationship. Do not offer her any gift until you are sure that she is interested in accepting your offer. Listening ear. This includes attention to her needs and also that of others. A woman is easily attracted to a guy who has a good listening ear. Listen attentively to what she has to say and offer suggestions along the line to prove you are following her conversation. She will be more than pleased with you. Don't count on initial chemistry of woman. The nature of woman is fickle, so don't rely on the initial chemistry. Self-ego. Woman wants to admire you more than anything because love is the synonym of admiration and respect. But keep your ego in this whole scenario. Do not let your ego go, because women do not like such men. Strong and powerful. Usually women do not prefer a nice guy, but they go for a guy who is strong and powerful. So do not show weakness, but be strong and powerful. Hide your emotions. Don't tell her you're feeling, even when you do not know how to give words to your feelings and emotions. This will show your weakness. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos.